Ever had that sinking feeling? You've just spent ages meticulously organizing your Trello board, crafting the perfect workflow, updating deadlines, and then, poof, you glance away, the power flickers, your browser crashes, or maybe you just accidentally close the tab. Panic sets in. Did all that work just vanish into the digital ether? Did you remember to hit some elusive save button? We've all been there. That moment of sheer dread, wondering if our precious to-do lists and project plans have been permanently lost. It's the kind of tech anxiety that can send shivers down your spine, especially when you're relying on tools like Trello to keep your life and work on track. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of this digital dilemma. We're tackling the burning question that's plagued countless Trello users. Does Trello save automatically? And if so, how does that magic actually work? Because let's face it, in our fast-paced, always connected world, we expect our tools to be seamless, intuitive, and, most importantly, reliable. We don't have time to constantly worry about manually saving every single change we make. We need to know that our progress is being captured in real time, that our data is safe and secure. So, let's cut through the confusion and get to the bottom of this. First things first, the good news. Yes, Trello does save automatically. You don't have to hunt for a save button or frantically press Ctrl+S every few seconds. Trello's architecture is designed to capture your changes instantly and persistently. But what does that actually mean? How does it work under the hood? Trello operates on a real-time synchronization system. Every action you take on your board, creating a card, moving a list, adding a comment, changing a due date, is immediately transmitted to Trello's servers. This happens in the background, seamlessly and without interrupting your workflow. Think of it like a live, collaborative document. Every change you make is reflected instantly for anyone else viewing the board. This instant synchronization is the core of Trello's automatic saving functionality. This real-time saving mechanism relies on a technology called WebSockets. WebSockets provide a persistent, bidirectional communication channel between your browser and Trello's servers. This allows for instant updates and eliminates the need for constant polling or refreshing the page. So, when you drag a card from to-do to doing, that change is immediately sent to Trello's servers via WebSockets. The servers then broadcast that update to everyone else who has the board open. This is why you see changes reflected in real time, even when collaborating with multiple people. But what about offline mode? What happens if your internet connection drops? Trello has you covered there too. While it primarily relies on an internet connection for real-time synchronization, it also employs a clever caching system. When you're offline, Trello stores your changes locally on your device. These local changes are then synchronized with Trello's servers as soon as your internet connection is restored. This means that you can continue working on your boards even without an internet connection, and your progress will be preserved. However, there are a few important caveats to keep in mind. Browser caching. While Trello's caching is robust, it's still dependent on your browser's caching capabilities. If you clear your browser's cache or cookies, you might lose some unsynchronized offline changes. Multiple devices. If you're working on the same board from multiple devices simultaneously, it's crucial to ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Conflicts can arise if changes are made offline on multiple devices and then synchronized later. Large-scale changes. While Trello excels at handling individual changes, making massive changes offline, such as deleting entire lists or moving hundreds of cards, might lead to synchronization issues. It's always best to make large-scale changes when you have a stable internet connection. Now, let's address some common concerns and misconceptions. I don't see a save button. Does that mean my changes aren't being saved? As we've established, Trello's automatic saving happens in the background. You don't need a visible save button. The absence of a save button is actually a feature, not a bug, designed to streamline your workflow and eliminate unnecessary steps. What if I accidentally delete a card or list? Trello provides a few ways to recover from accidental deletions. You can use the activity feed on your board to view recent changes and potentially restore deleted items. Additionally, Trello's trash feature allows you to recover deleted cards and boards within a certain time frame. Is my data safe and secure? Trello employs industry-standard security measures to protect your data. This includes encryption, access controls, and regular backups. You can also enable two-factor authentication for added security. Can I trust Trello to save my changes reliably? In most cases, yes. Trello's automatic saving mechanism is highly reliable. However, like any software, it's not immune to occasional glitches or technical issues. It's always a good practice to back up your important data regularly, even if you're using a cloud-based service like Trello. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.